Chat and Learn English.
Welcome to Chat and Learn English. Today's video will help you practice English through a fun and natural story. On this channel, we focus on real conversations, easy listening, and simple everyday English that you can use in real life. Just relax, listen carefully, and repeat the sentences to improve your speaking and understanding. Let's begin our story.
The old cobbler lived in the shadow of the city bus depot, in a little corrugated iron shack tucked between a sari shop and a chai stall. Everyone in the market called him Dadu. He had been mending soles for 30, maybe 40 years.
Dadu, are you taking these?
Called Meera from the sari shop.
This one's for Shanta, auntie. The sole has come off again.
Bring it over, child.
I'll have it by evening. Tell Shantae to keep the money for when she can.
Meera knew how Dadu said, "Pay me tomorrow." Sometimes tomorrow came, sometimes it didn't. But when Dadu had nothing, Meera wrapped him a warm paratha or a steaming cup of tea without waiting for promise or corn. The market had its small kindnesses. One afternoon, the market buzzed with talk of a new plan. A developer wanted the depot strip for a shiny parking mall. Mr. Rana had approved it. Officials came with clipboards and offers. Some vendors prepared to move, others worried. But Dadu's shack stood on city land, no papers, only years of belonging.
Move, we have paper,
said one of the developer's men as they strolled past Dadu's place. Dadu lifted his head, then went back to pegging a patch of leather.
You can't just tell him to go. Where would he go? He sleeps here at night.
It's just a strip of land. Take a corner of the new mall. There will be customers.
A week later, men arrived at dawn. 2 heavy trucks and employees with hammers. Dadu was asleep on his thin mattress. The lead man tapped on the iron and called.
Clear out. This land is scheduled.
Dadu opened his eyes and staggered outside. The main's leader was a man named Suresh, one of Mr. Rana's enforcers.
You can't do this. I've been here for years. I make a living here.
You have no papers. We have a permit. Council approved it.
Please, I only ask a little more time.
Suresh shrugged.
Orders are orders.
They began to pull down the corrugated sheets. Dadu tried to stop them. The sari shop girls cried out. Meera ran forward, but a foreman told her to step back. By noon, the little shack was a heap of metal and splinters. Dadu sat on the curb, clutching his frayed shawl. All he had left were worn shoes, a box of tools, and a few people who would share his mornings. The next morning, the market was in uproar. Someone had seen Dadu in the alley near the depot, and then he had disappeared. Maybe he left, one said. Old men wonder.
Arjun, look. His tools are here, but he isn't. He never leaves them like this.
I saw him near the bus depot last night. He looked dizzy. After that, I don't know.
Come on. We're finding him. Now.
They rush. Meanwhile, Suresh's men lean against a wall, smirking.
Old man probably wandered off. Happens at that age.
Say one more word, just one, and I'll show you what happens.
People run over. Dadu is unconscious, dirt on his clothes.
Dadu, can you hear me? Dadu.
Someone pushed me. I tried to walk back. The ground just slipped away.
Who did it? Who touched you? Tell me.
Dadu slips back into unconsciousness. A doctor checks Dadu, shaking his head.
He'll live, but he's weak. Old bones don't take falls well. He needs rest and support, no stress.
We'll take care of him. You don't worry.
No, enough is enough. They take his home, then they lay hands on him? We're not staying silent.
Arjun climbs onto a vendor's cart, voice loud and clear.
Everyone here knows who destroyed Dadu's shack. Everyone knows who pushed him. We are going to Mr. Rana's office now. No more fear.
Yes, justice for Dadu. We stand together.
The people march, not with violence, but with unity and purpose. The crowd marches to the large glass building.
Mr. Rana, come outside. We need to talk.
Rana appears, calm but annoyed.
What is this nonsense? Why are so many of you here?
Because you ruined an old man's life. You ordered the demolition of his home.
That land belongs to the city development project. He had no documents.
He wasn't asking for land. He only needed a corner to sleep and work.
He repaired shoes for kids who couldn't pay.
He gave chai to strangers from his own pocket.
Yesterday, your men threatened him. Last night, someone pushed him. He almost died.
Rana turns to his men. The one who smirked earlier lowers his eyes.
Did you touch him?
The men stay silent.
Answer me.
We only wanted to scare him. Just a little. We didn't mean...
Your scare almost took his life.
Do the right thing. Not as a businessman. As a human.
I cannot undo what happened, but I can fix what comes next.
The market gathers again, this time with new hope. A small wooden stall stands in the center, strong, clean, with a shade overhead. Rana arrives quietly and places a brand new toolbox on the counter.
I thought I had no place left in this world.
This whole market is your place.
For your shop and your patience with people like me.
Everyone learns when it's time to learn.
When one person is harmed, it becomes everyone's responsibility to stand up. Kindness may look small, but it is the strongest power that holds a community together.
If this story helped you improve your listening and speaking, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who want to learn English. See you in the next lesson. Keep practicing, keep learning, and keep growing.